Ever dreamed of exploring Europe but worried about the cost? Fear not, because Europe is a continent that caters to every budget. From the verdant national parks of Romania to the luxurious shores of the French Riviera, this continent is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Whether you're a backpacker pinching pennies or a luxury traveler ready to splurge, Europe has something for everyone. So, pack your bags and come with us as we journey from the low-budget escapes to the luxurious retreats of Europe. Starting at the lower end of the scale, let's dive into the natural beauty of Eastern Europe. There's a sense of unspoiled wonder that awaits in the national parks and rural areas of countries like Romania, Bulgaria, or Slovakia. Whether you're hiking through verdant forests, discovering hidden waterfalls, or simply basking in the solitude of nature, these retreats are a treasure trove for the adventurous at heart. And with options to camp or stay in budget guest houses, these nature retreats are as kind to your wallet as they are to your senses. But if the pulse of a city is more your speed, then affordable city breaks in Budapest, Prague, or Krakow should be on your radar. From the thermal baths of Budapest to the historic charm of Prague and the vibrant culture of Krakow, these cities offer a rich tapestry of experiences without stretching your budget. These destinations prove that you don't need to break the bank to experience the rich cultures and stunning landscapes of Europe. Let's bookmark this idea for a moment. Imagine yourself embarking on a journey of cultural revelation. Visualize your footsteps resonating through the historic lanes of Portugal. The urban landscapes of Porto and Lisbon overflow with cultural landmarks, with the recognizable blue and white azulejo tiles enveloping structures, alongside the poignant tunes of fado music emanating from a neighborhood inn. Every bend navigated unfolds a new revelation, a fresh narrative articulated through architecture, cuisine, and the welcoming spirit of the locals. But have you ever speculated that Europe holds more the popular routes? Exactly. Stray a bit more into the less frequented territories of Montenegro and Albania. Here, you'll encounter breathtaking vistas, budget-friendly lodging, and opportunities to participate in thrilling outdoor pursuits. Whether it's basking in the sunshine on the Albanian Riviera, or scaling the dramatic peaks of Montenegro, these concealed treasures present a one-of-a-kind experience. A moderate journey facilitates an immersive plunge into Europe's cultural abundance and remarkable, yet overlooked destinations. Embark on a journey through the lively streets of some of Europe's most spirited cities. Barcelona, displaying a distinctive amalgamation of Gothic and modernist design. Rome, a place where each turn reveals a fragment of history. Or Paris, the city renowned for romance and illumination. Each metropolis offers a distinct combination of economical and luxury accommodations, food places and attractions that cater to a variety of tastes and preferences. Following, as we ascend the budget scale, we enter the domain of serenity and wellness, coupled with vibrant urban escapes. Envision this: basking on the immaculate beaches of Greece, maybe on the islands of Crete or the Cyclades, where the sapphire waters of the Aegean converge with the sun-kissed sands. Here, mid-tier accommodations provide cozy stays, while the mouth-watering Greek cuisine teases your palate with its crisp, robust flavors. With a medium to high budget at your disposal, you can relish the picturesque beaches of Greece and plunge yourself into the dynamic cities of Barcelona, Rome, or Paris. Finally, for those willing to splurge, Europe offers a world of luxury and exclusive experiences. Picture this: you're lounging on the sun-drenched beaches of the French Riviera, surrounded by the glittering Mediterranean, or perhaps you're savoring a glass of world-class wine amidst the rolling hills of Tuscany. These are not mere vacations, but a lifestyle experience. In these destinations, luxury accommodations are more than just a place to sleep. They're centuries-old villas, modern penthouses, and exclusive resorts that offer top-notch service, fine dining, and amenities that cater to your every whim. But the opulence doesn't stop at accommodations. In these locations you can dine in Michelin-starred restaurants, shop in designer boutiques, and even charter a private yacht for a day on the water. And if the land-based luxury isn't enough, consider taking to the water. A luxury river cruise along the mighty Danube or the romantic Rhine allows you to explore multiple European gems in one go. On these cruises you're treated to not just comfortable cabins and gourmet meals, but also personalized services, guided tours, and cultural experiences that bring each destination to life. Imagine waking up each morning to a new city, exploring its sights and flavors, and then retreating to the comfort of your floating luxury hotel. It's an experience that truly combines the best of travel and luxury. For those with a high budget, Europe offers a taste of the high life with luxury retreats and exclusive experiences. So, there you have it. A journey through Europe from the unspoiled wilderness of Romania, Bulgaria, and Slovakia to the bustling cities like Barcelona, Rome, and Paris. We've traveled off the beaten path to Montenegro and Albania, relaxed on the beaches of Greece, and indulged in luxury retreats on the French Riviera, and Italy's Tuscany and Amalfi Coast. From budget-friendly to luxury, Europe truly has something for every traveler. So where will your next adventure take you?